Hey, hello everyone. Uh, so whenever delivery blocks applied into sales order, uh, either through customer master, if it's applied manually, then what will happen after applying delivery block? What will be the consequences by applying the delivery block? Uh, you see here, to define a new delivery block, we need to go through this below path: sales and distribution, basic functions, availability check and transfer requirements, block quantity confirmation and delivery blocks. So in this path, we need to define the new delivery block, and we need to propose the reasons what will happen, what it should do. Yeah, in addition to the delivery block, we have some other blocks that we can apply along with delivery block. You see here, for each and every delivery block, we have a totally 7 blocks that we can apply. This order block, confirmation block, print, delivery due list, picking, GI, and purchase requisition block. So let's understand what does it mean. So what it will do when we enable this each and every checkbox, the options. If we enable the order block checkbox, then in that case, if the customer has a delivery block applied, then during sales order creation, that delivery block from customer to sales order, it will be transferred automatically. And if this is enabled, then only the block will be transferred from customer to order, or else it won't transfer from customer to order. If confirmation block is enabled, then during save of an order, confirmed quantity will become 0. That means quantity won't be confirmed for that particular item. So in a way, we can avoid getting delivery for this order by stopping the confirmation. The next one is print. So if you want to stop creating the acknowledgements, so whenever we save any sales order, we will create some outputs, right? BA00 and some other order acknowledgements output to custom or standard. If you want to stop triggering whenever this delivery block is applied, then we should enable this flag. Next one is delivery due list. So delivery due list, just like VF04 for billing due list, VL04 for delivery due list. So whenever this flag is enabled, then after saving the order, then that order won't appear in VL04 delivery due list. If it won't appear, then background job won't pick that order and it won't create delivery for that order. However, even though this flag is enabled, still we are able to process or create delivery for that order manually, VL01L transaction code. Picking block, it will avoid doing the picking for the delivery, and same thing with the goods issue. We can't do post goods issue for the delivery. The last option is purchase requisition block. So in case of third party sales order and individual purchase orders IPO process, PR will be generated automatically when we save the sales order. And for any reasons, if any delivery block applied in that order, and for the delivery block, if this flag is enabled, PREQ block is enabled, then for that order, PR would be generated in case of third party and IPO process.